And more breaking news coming in at this point of time. The Congress party has opened a front against the Aam Aadmi Party. Arvinder Singh Lovely says tomorrow Congress leaders and MLAs will meet the LG to demand action against Somnath Bharti and Rakhi Birla. Lovely goes on to say that Congress gave support on issues like power and water, but this government is doing absolutely nothing for the people. And breaking this news on headlines today, my colleague Aditi Ananth Narayanan. Aditi, you know, it was interesting that even when this entire drama took place in the heart of Lutyens, Delhi by Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress unit said absolutely nothing, very tactfully handling the entire situation. And now Arvinder Lovely and other members of the Congress will be meeting the Lieutenant Governor, asking that Somnath Bharti be sacked.
Absolutely, Preeti. And what is shocking is that now the Delhi unit of the Congress is also thinking of having a referendum, after which they will be asking the people of the national capital whether they should withdraw the support that they had given to Aam Aadmi Party just after the election results came out. Now, this is exactly surprising because referendum is something that Aam Aadmi Party had been depending upon. It is after referendum of the people of the national capital that they actually came into power. And now the Delhi Congress and the Congress themselves they are distancing themselves.
So tactfully, Aditi, tactfully building a case to pull the rug under the Aam Aadmi Party, isn't it?
Absolutely, Preeti, because they have been absolutely silent when Arvind Kejriwal went on the two-day protest. They have, and now after the voices are being raised against Somnath Bharti and voices are being raised against Arvind Kejriwal and his tactic to get the centre bow down to their demands. So now the Congress has decided that it is a very clear thought, it is very well thought process that they will go themselves and ask the people whether they should withdraw the support from Aam Aadmi Party or not. And if the consensus is in their favour, definitely the Congress at this point of time will want to withdraw their support.
All right, stay on with us, Aditi. It's quite interesting because the next set of breaking news that we have pretty much goes on to suggest that the state Congress unit and the centre Congress unit are working in tandem to tactfully build a case against the Aam Aadmi Party to withdraw the outside support that they enjoy at this point of time. The latest breaking news is that the Congress in charge for Delhi, Shakil Ahmed, has backed the state unit's demand for Arvind Kejriwal to resign. Shakil Ahmed's comments comes after the Congress sources claimed that the party may launch a referendum seeking public view on its support to Aam Aadmi Party government. The exercise on referendum may start after the Republic Day. Political editor Kartikeya Sharma on the phone line with us. Kartikeya, you know, if Aam Aadmi Party was playing the game, it seems Congress wants to beat Aam Aadmi Party in its own game, tactfully building a case against the Aam Aadmi Party. They did absolutely nothing when this drama was taking place on the streets of Delhi by Arvind Kejriwal. But the minute it ended, now we can see them jump together and maybe stitch together a case which they can project publicly to withdraw support.
Preeti, you were there with me on the both days of the protest, and you would agree that any political party acquires confidence in terms of what they see in public perception, mood of the media and mood of the people. And you would agree that for the first time Aam Aadmi, the coverage of the Aam Aadmi was extremely negative in media, and the mood of the public was not very supportive. And I think what Congress has decided to do is push the envelope, put up a very aggressive posture in front of Kejriwal. So in case if things have to come to a parting after 6 months or 4 months or 5 months, at least they can take a high moral stand and say that these were the issues in principle which were opposed by us, and I think now we can withdraw the support. So I think that's a build-up, a gradual, a slow process, but I think it's to that effect and end.
You know, Kartikeya, how do you see it pan out in the next 2-3 months, considering that, we are looking at 2014 general elections? The Congress would be really wary of not doing something right at this point of time, at least publicly.
Oh yes, I completely agree with you. I don't think Congress is going to do anything like that in the next 6 months, next 60 days to 90 days. But Congress would like to see the moves of the Aam Aadmi Party. If tomorrow they make similar mistakes in next 2 or 3 months, then perhaps there might be a rethink. But if they don't commit a mistake like that, then the policy would be to wait and watch so that Kejriwal can make few more mistakes. So ultimately, it's like a game of chess. It depends on the move of Kejriwal, and I think that's what the Congress is waiting for. Round one has gone against Kejriwal.
Appreciate you joining us. Kartikeya Sharma, our political editor, giving us the inside details of what's going on in the Congress state and central unit.